From the company and makers of SFNOW is an air purifier, 215 square feet, all year round. We're going to open up the box, show you what you get inside. As we open up the box, nicely packaged, we're going to remove the air purifier, take it out of its plastic container. Check online for further details about the product and the colors if they come in. It's 110 volt extension cord wrapped in Velcro. 6 feet plus long. Before plugging in, you have to remove the protective cover and check the filter. The SAP 200C has an instruction guide, the filter with the air that's going to suck in and blow out. It has rubber feet on the bottom, and it has a twist area that simply opens up to your filter that you could change and clean out. It is simple to install and close up and ready for use. On top, please remember to peel the film off, the protective film with the green tab. And you have your on and off and 3 controls. And your plug in your filter. We'll dim the lights and show you the filter's top as it lights up in a soft white and red. And then we're ready for use. In order to operate the unit, it's a simple quick tap on the on button for speed number 1. And it lights up on the inside over here, as you can see. There are 3 speeds. Tap for speed number 2, speed number 3. It is pretty quiet on speed number 1. And we'll go back to speed number 1. It is shut off. And then on to speed number 1. Speed number 2. And speed number 3 you heard. The filter reset button is located here, and when the filter needs to be changed, it is show a light. It's a pre-filter, an H13 HEPA filter, and a carbon filter all in one. The unit can be easily cleaned by the outside with the vacuum cleaner, not the filter. The filter needs to be replaced and simply slides back in and locks into place by following the rotation and locking in. It has a low decibel of 12 on 1, all the way up to 46 on high. It is a quiet filter to aerate your room. We're going to put this in the kitchen, living room, and so forth, and show you what the filter may be about. This is a 110 volt air purifier, 3 speeds, and a filter changing system for living rooms, kitchens, dining rooms, campers, anywhere indoors to air purify and clean the air. It's compact, small, colorful for the kitchen, easy to plug in and use. Set up, put it in a kid's room, and off you go. It's pet friendly, cleans the air of 215 square feet, compact in size, in a gray color on top, and a whitish color, a soft white, known as gray. I hope you enjoy the SFNOW air purifier with the HEP 15 filter. Check online for further details about the product, and thank you for viewing.